Okay beta, so A intersection B is equal to common elements of a set A and set B. यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल दिस इनवर्टेड U. Here x is the elements of both A and B. दोनों की कॉमन रीजन सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगी. ठीक है, so let's take an example. If I select, let us say I am having two sets, that is set A which is equal to A, B, C, D, and set B, you can say that A, B, C. एक और सेट ले लेते हैं C set which is set A. So what would be the A intersection B? This is equal to what? जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में ऐसे करो. Write the answers in the chat box. What is the value of A intersection B? Write in the chat box, Pahul. Very good, Palak, Ashmeet. Good. Anmol Deep Singh. Good. Jaspinder रोस्टर फॉर्म नहीं लिखनी है, ओनली राइट द एलिमेंट्स. डी कहां से आ गया? डी तो है ही नहीं यहां पे कहीं पे. I have to write the common elements only. So what are the common elements? These are the common elements. A is common in both A, C is common in both AB, and B is common in both AB. So A intersection B is equal to A, B and C. Simple as that. Can you tell me what is the value of A intersection C? What is the value of A intersection C? Very good, Kashish. Good. Not only a curly bracket में लिखना पड़ेगा because intersection is a set. Because intersection is a set. So only one element is common between these two. Very good. So let's take another example. If I take a set A, its intersection with B I have to find, where A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6. Can you tell me what is the value of A intersection B? Yes, very good. Null set, 5 set. You can write it like this. Let it be as it is, or you can simply write this, because both are equal. If you are writing the value, if you are writing 5, don't use curly bracket over that. It should not be like this. This is wrong. Are you getting what I am saying? Don't use curly brackets around the 5. It's not like this. If you are writing this, this is wrong. This is right. Now you have to answer me. These are some results. Not one. First note, that is A intersection with phi set. What is the value? You tell me. Second, A intersection with A. Third, A intersection with universal set U, where U stands for universal set. So what are their values? First का आंसर क्या आएगा? What is the value of first? A intersection phi. Very good. First answer is phi. A intersection A. What is the value of second? The set itself. Yes. What is the value of third? A intersection with the universal set. Yes, it's look like this. Let us say this rectangle shows your universal set, and here is a set A. So what are their common elements? So all the elements in set A are taking as a common element. So it will equals to the set A again. Is it clear, everyone? Good. Let's move towards the union of a set. Union of sets. It is represented by this U, written as A union B symbolically. So what this union represent? Like in LCM, I always compare the intersection and union with HCF and LCM. Intersection is comparable with HCF, where we use common factors only, and union I compare it with LCM, where we use a number which contain both the values, every value of both the sets. So A union B contain, first of all, it contain common elements, it contain all the elements of A, and it contain all the elements of B. In short, it contain all the common and not common elements of set A and B. So all the elements are countable in union, but the common elements we have to take it only in a one way. We have to write it at once only. Just take an example, it will be more clear for you. Let me erase it. If there is a set A having elements A, E, I, O, U, say U, not 4, and there is a set B containing L, M, A, E, O. So what is A union B? If you are clear with the definition, just write the answer. This is O. Just write the answers in the chat box. Perfect, Kashish, good. I want everyone should participate. Yes, Kirat, Amaldeep, good. Armardeep, Palak, Jaspinder, good. So I have to write each and every element. That is I have to write A also. Let's take the elements of A set. A, all the elements of A set. A, E, I, O, U. I have written all the elements of A set. Now I have to write all the elements of B set also. L, M, but A is written already, so I will not write A again. E is written already, I will not write E again. O is written already, I will not write O again. So this is the universal set of A and B. Sorry, union of set A and B. Is it clear, anyone? Those are cleared with intersection and union, type IU. Good. Very good. So let's proceed further. Now, just watch it carefully. It would be little bit complicated for students. So watch it carefully and listen to me carefully. I want to find A minus B. I am going to find A minus B. So what would be the answer? Let us take A and set B. There are some elements common between them. Set A and set B. If I am going to write the set A minus B, then I will write the elements of set A only, which is left after removing the elements of set B. So what would be the answer? Which region I would shade? I will shade the region of this only. Just watch it out. I will not counting the common elements. I am not taking the common elements. I am just shading this region only. So what would be the answer? That is all the elements of set A minus A intersection B. Is it clear, everyone? So I have to write the value of elements of only A. This is also now in word problems, that is only A. If there is a question asked for find the elements in only A, the number of people who read newspaper in Hindi and newspaper in English. So what are the number of people who are reading newspaper in only Hindi? When the word only comes up, you have to proceed in this way. This would be our next exercise. Tomorrow we will start this, the word problems related to the set. So are you getting the concept of only A? Those are cleared with only A, type OA in the chat box. Good, Palak and Moldev. Good. So let's take an example. Just note down this formula. Note down this also. If I put n over this, n of A minus n of A intersection B. These are the formulas that we are driving right now, and you have to learn it. Whenever A minus B is asked, or write it like this also, write the language also only A. Number of elements in only A. N of only A is equal to this. Same. Just note down this formula. Okay guys, so let's take an example. There is a set A is equals to, I am taking simple example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And there is a set B containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So what would be the value of A minus B? Write it in a chat box. Write the value of A minus B in a chat box. Good Kashish. Good Ikwinder. Good Pahul. I want more responses. Everyone should try. Good Jaskaran. Good Palak. Just check your answer once again. 4 is already there in B. Anmoldeep, good. Good Kirat Sandhu. Good Ganesh Sharma. Very good. So I have to write the elements of A only. I have to write the elements of A only. So I will not write those elements which are present in B. I will minus their intersection. So only 8 and 10 is left. So this would be the answer of A minus B. Is it clear, everyone? Can anyone write the value of B minus A? Write the value of B minus A. Yes. Good Anmol. Good Kashish, Kirat, good. Now you go to the answers. So what would be the answer? Just leave that common elements. 2 cut jo jaye, 2 will cut it 4 or 6. The answer would be 1 and 3 only. Is it clear, everyone? Now my another question is, what is the value of n of A minus B? Write in the chat box. I am putting n outside. What is the value of n of good Kashish? Good Anmoldeep. Good Jaspinder. I want the responses from each and everyone. Good Kirat, right. This is not right. Pahul, wrong answer. Ikwinder, good answer. Good. Pahul, you are writing 40 or 50. How? Just count the elements in A minus B. How many elements are there? 1 and 2. So this is the 2 answers. How can we write 40 or 50? Is it clear, everyone? Yes, just correct. What is the value of B minus A? N of B minus A? This is also true. Good. So let's take a question. Right now some students might be network issues there. Students are entering late now. There will be network issue, I think. So let's take another example. You have to find these. A set is it given to you, that is A, B, C, D, and set B is given to you C, D, E. Set C is given to you, that is B, C, F. You have to find the value of this. A union B intersection C. You have to find this value. B union A union B intersection C. So first of all, for this we need this to be solved. Good. Just check your answer again. A, B, C, D is the answer coming mostly. A, B, C, D. You both all are getting. Some of you are saying A, B, C, D, E, F also. So let's just come. Only C is not the answer. So let's take a look. First of all, we have to make the intersection of B and C only. So what is the value of B and C? Let's write a set. For this we need to find the value of B and C. B intersection C. Here I will tell you the language of these two sets, intersection and union. What would be the language used for this? After this I will explain. So B intersection C is equals to, what are the common elements? Only C, I think so. Only C is common between them. So I just want to find the union with this. So A union with this. So A, B, C, D. C is already counted, so I will not write C again. So this would be the right answer. Those are given this answer. Just give yourself a 1 point. Is it clear, anyone? Last, what are the symbolical names? What are the names in language given to them? If I say A union B, it would be equal to A or B. In mathematics, you will find the difference between A and or and. If it is written A intersection B, then the difference is we have to use A and B. So this is the major difference between, and whenever the language comes up, if it is written or here, then you have to find union. If it is written and here, then you have to go for intersection. Clear? If they are saying A and B, it means they want both A and B. If the and intersection comes up, it means in intersection we need both A and B. Are you getting? But in union, I may consider the elements of only A also, only B also, both the elements also. Is it clear, everyone? So this is much for today. We will meet tomorrow. Okay guys, till then have a nice day. Take care everyone. God bless you all.